northbound 85, we have count them, two cars that ran over debris. One car in the far left lane, another car on the right-hand shoulder. We do have some good news on the SFO exit, the San Francisco International Airport exit from northbound 101. We had a crash blocking the second lane from the left there. That is now gone. We're looking at a new problem being reported in Oakland on the connector from westbound 580 over to northbound 13. That is a two-car crash on the right-hand shoulder, but debris apparently scattered across lanes. Remember, you can get updates 24 hours a day on our Twitter feed at KCBS AM FM Traffic. Your next update at 11:48 on the traffic leader KCBS.
Bay Area weather with heavy coastal and bay fog overnight, lows in the 40s and 50s, partly to mostly sunny but cooler tomorrow and Sunday. 60s at the coast, 70s around the bay to the low 80s inland tomorrow. 81 for Concord, 83 for Livermore, 81 in Morgan Hill, 77 will be the high in San Jose, 78 in Santa Rosa, 76 in Redwood City and San Rafael, 73 in Fremont, 70 Oakland, 65 in San Francisco. Even cooler on Saturday. Looks like we're going to see those temperatures drop a bit more with a chance of sprinkles. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on KCBS.
Liam Makem here, the foodie chap, heading over to the Priest Ranch Tasting Room in the heart of Napa Valley. My goal? To enjoy a relaxing afternoon among some of my favorite vintages. This is the place for wine tasting, with a selection of estate-grown wines handcrafted from a single vineyard site, a Napa Valley estate that dates back to the 1860s. All of the Priest Ranch wines, from the rich Cabernets to the beautifully crisp whites, are available now at the Yountville Tasting Room, including some wines that you just won't find anywhere else. And this month, there's an extraordinary experience awaiting you at Priest Ranch, a wine and bacon pairing. Yep, you heard me right. 4 beautiful wines and 4 luscious flavors of bacon, a match made in foodie chef heaven. The Priest Ranch Wine Tasting Room is open daily. Reservations are recommended. Just go to priestranchwines.com to secure your table in advance. That's priestranchwines.com. Cheers.
The following is a paid commercial announcement. Were you abused by a priest or clergy member? You're not alone, and we can help you hold the church accountable, regardless of your age, and even if your abuser is no longer working, or even living. Thousands of victims have filed claims and been awarded significant compensation, but the deadline is quickly approaching, so call Stop Clergy Abuse right now. Your call is free, private, and confidential. Even if you don't remember the abuser's name, we may be able to help, but time is limited, so call now. Catholic dioceses have paid more than $3 billion to victims, with the average national settlement at $268,000. In parts of California, the settlements are much higher. Call 855-43-ABUSE now, or soon you may forever lose your chance to file a claim. You can't change the past, but you can be compensated for it. Call 855-43-ABUSE. A representative is standing by to help. Call 855-43-ABUSE. That's 855-43-ABUSE.
KCBS News Time 11:42. Female CEOs and workplace leaders are leaving their jobs at the highest rate in almost a decade. KCBS's Megan Goldsby has the results of the annual Women in the Workplace report.
It seems like very bad news.
They're leaving companies at the highest rates that they have in years.
Says Julie Bauke, Chief Career Strategist of the Bauke Group. The trends she's seeing can actually paint a more positive picture.
They aren't necessarily leaving the workforce.
What they're doing is finding other jobs that better suit their lives, something she says many people were thinking about in the pandemic.
But women are more insistent on it, are more willing to change jobs to get it than men are. Men are more likely to say, well, this is just the way it is.
Or if they can't find it,
the women are very likely to step out and become entrepreneurs, because they say, well, I can't get what I want here to live the life I want. So I guess I have to go build it on my own. And they will. So corporate America, the companies who aren't getting it and still have their head in the sand, they've got they've got some shock coming. I think they don't believe that they do, but they absolutely do.
Megan Goldsby, KCBS.
A strike of track maintenance workers could be looming as the major freight railroads appear unwilling to give them much more than what was in the contract that was rejected last week. The railroads rejected the union's request to add paid sick time on top of the 24% raises and the $5,000 in bonuses they received in the first 5-year deal. But Union Pacific says it's confident all 12 unions will ultimately approve their deal so the industry can avoid a strike that would devastate the economy. Sports coming up next. KCBS News Time, 11:44.
Festivals, football, flannel. Some say fall is their favorite time of year. And this fall, there are now updated COVID-19 booster shots designed to help protect against COVID-19 variants. If you're home with primary series, schedule an updated COVID-19 booster shot appointment as soon as you're eligible. And don't forget to enjoy the foliage. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
Hi, this is Patty Rising with an update on River Islands in Lathrop. It is a great time to see for yourself all the wonderful things about River Islands. Check out all that green, acres and acres of parks, baseball tournaments at Islanders Field, or grab some goodies at the farmers market, or bite at the Boathouse restaurant. River Islands has 12 new neighborhoods and an array of home sizes and prices. The best place to start your tour is at riverislands.com. Isn't it time for you to discover the islands?
Realtors abide by a code of ethics. This is Article 9 in action. Beth, a first-time homebuyer, knew nothing about the home buying process, except that she wanted to buy a home. But her realtor had the expertise to make sure Beth understood every document, even giving her copies to review with her lawyer so Beth could close on her first home with confidence. Complicated things explained in simple terms. The difference between an agent and a realtor is real. Realtors are members of the National Association of Realtors. That's who we are.
Coming up on KCBS.
I'm Jeffrey Schaub. The pandemic resulted in a mini baby boom across America.
It's 11:45 on the sports line. The Astros took a 2-0 lead over the Yankees in the American League Championship Series. Houston beat New York tonight 3-2. The Carolina Panthers are trading Pro Bowl running back Christian McCaffrey to the 49ers. For McCaffrey, this is a return to the Bay Area. He attended Stanford and played for the Cardinal for 3 seasons. And with more on sports, let's check in now with Victor Zaragoza.
As the San Francisco 49ers prepare to face the Kansas City Chiefs this weekend at Levi Stadium, Chiefs quarterback Patrick Mahomes knows exactly what to expect as he and his team prepare to face the Niners on Sunday for the first time since Super Bowl 54.
We have a heck of a challenge this week against the 49ers. One of them's not the best defense in the league, so as an offense, we have to know that we're going to have to take advantage of every day. We're going to have to practice great, watch film great, so we can put ourselves in the best position to have some success on the field.
On Sunday, the 49ers defense will look to pounce on the Chiefs offense, fresh off a heartbreaking Week 6 loss to the Buffalo Bills. And with defensive end Nick Bosa in limited practice this week, it could point to him playing this Sunday. Nick Bosa on facing the Chiefs quarterback Patrick Mahomes.
He's really good at everything, and I think the biggest thing is trying to keep him from extending plays. He's obviously really good in the pocket, but that's where we want to keep him.
Audio courtesy of the NFL. And while injuries have plagued the defense so far this season, they're still first in the league in yards allowed per game and second in points allowed per game. Although Nick Bosa is yet to be cleared to play on Sunday, Patrick Mahomes was asked how important is it to be aware of Bosa on the field. The quarterback laughed for a bit and then said, very important, and I quote, that dude is a monster out there. Patrick, very well said. Niners Chiefs this Sunday at Levi Stadium at 1:25. From the sports desk, Victor Zaragoza, KCBS.
Been hurt in a car wreck? Get the help you need right now. Hi, I'm attorney Tristan Johan Group, and I'm here to help you get the money you deserve.
Hi, I'm Cindy Adams. I called Tristan Group, and he settled my case. If you've been hurt in a car wreck, call the Jaw Group Law Office now. Your strongest advocate against insurance attorneys. Call 510-556-4013. Oh my God! That diesel truck is driving out of control!
Been hurt in a trucking accident? Get paid. Get the money you deserve. Call attorney Tristan Jagroup, founder of the Jagroup Law Office, the Bay Area's #1 rated motor vehicle personal injury attorney. Diesel trucks, cars, motorcycles? Call 510-556-4013. JAGROOP law.com.
It's 11:48 at KCBS. Frank Munich is here with a look at traffic.
Well, we're looking at